Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Laravel SaaS delivery time slot plugin. Now using this particular plugin, the customers can choose their preferred date as well as time for the product delivery at the checkout time. This plugin will allow the tenants to create multiple slots for each day of the week. For each slot, the tenant can set the maximum order quota for better time management as well. So all in all, this particular plugin helps the tenants to select the available days for delivery. They can mention how many days to display to the customer at the checkout time. They can set the minimum order time required for order processing. They can even set up to display the error when no delivery slot is available to the customers at the checkout time. They can also edit multiple slots for each day of the week as per their own requirement. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the workflow of this particular plugin at the customer's end. I'll then show you the initial configuration settings for the delivery time settings. And lastly, I'll be showing you how to set up the delivery time slots for each day of the week and how to view the orders for the delivery time slots as well under the tenants account panel in the admin backend panel there. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial today, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So first of all, what I'll be doing is I'll be showing you the workflow at the customer's end. So here you can see that I'm on the tenants website that's having the subdomain site1. That's the site1.ashish-saas.com, and this is the admin login panel for the tenant website. That's the site1.ashish-saas.com/admin/login. Now as a customer, you can see that I've already logged into my customer account here as per the top right hand corner here. And now what I'll be doing is I'll be adding one product into the cart. To add the product, I'll just tap here on the add to cart button. The product would be added into the cart, as you can see. Now let's make a checkout thereafter. On the checkout page, I'll be having to select my billing address, or I can add a new billing address as well. So right now I've selected the billing address for 32 Street Lane, 90001, California, United States. So I'll select that up, and after selecting the billing address, I'll be able to select the shipping method, as you can see here. So I'll choose the shipping method as free shipping method for this particular one. And here you can see the delivery date, day, and the delivery time slots are available for the customers to choose. Now here you can see that the very first delivery time slot for the 24th of May here is unavailable. Now the delivery time slots are unavailable in two conditions. The number one is when the orders are full. That means if the quota set for each of the slots gets full, or if the today's time slot is less than the current time, then the time slot will be unavailable. So for the Monday, the time slot is not being displayed because today's time slot is less than the current time, hence that particular time slot is unavailable. And for 24th of the May itself, it's showing unavailable because the orders are full, because the quota that was set for each of the slot has been completed there. So maybe there was only one quota set for this 24th of May, and one of the orders was placed for the particular slot there. So that's why now the particular, what we say as the quota, is not available for that particular slot. That's why it's highlighted in the red color and we are not able to select the particular one. So let's go with the 25th of May there. That's Wednesday, 25th of May, between 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. So the customer will select the particular time slot here. After selecting the time slot, he'll go to the select payment method section and choose a payment method according to his need there. After scrolling down, he'll be able to see the particular shipping method that he has selected, the payment method that he has selected, and the time slots that he has selected. So here you can see the time slot selected by the customer is between 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. In the afternoon, and the date and the day is also visible. That's Wednesday, 25th May 2022 there. Now after that, the customer will place the order by tapping here on the place order button, and this will process the particular order and the order would be placed thereafter. After the order has been placed, the customer would be able to see the details of the time slots that the customer has selected for the order by navigating to the order section. So you can see that the order has been placed. Now if I go to the order section And here if I view the particular order number 7 with the order ID 7, here you can see I've selected the product that I purchased or landscape or the horizon, and the delivery date and day are Wednesday 25th of May, and the delivery time is between 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. in the afternoon itself, right? And here you can see the shipping method selected and the payment method selected by the customer as well. So this was the workflow at the customer's end. Now let's hop onto the tenant end and let's log into the tenant admin backend panel by entering the email address password there for the Bagisto store, and let's tap on the sign in button. Now after the successful installation of the Laravel SaaS delivery time slot plugin, the very first thing that you need to do is you need to navigate to the configure section, and there you have to go to the delivery time slot option, and here you'll have the delivery time settings. Now after you enable this delivery time settings here for using this particular toggle button, then this option that you can see on the side panel here, that's the delivery time slots, would be enabled and be visible to the tenant there for management of the delivery time slots there itself. So you have to enable this up for showing this delivery time slots option on the side panel there. Then you have allowed days. So from here you can choose the days allowed for the delivery time slots. So I've selected from Sunday till Saturday there, or 7 days of the week there. Then I have display total days. So here you have to enter the number of days that you want to display to the customers at the checkout time there. And then we have the show error message at the shop if the slots are unavailable. If the slots are unavailable, and then you can also display an error message if the time slots are not available. So here I've set it as time slots are not available, please contact the store owner at support@bagisto.com. So after you configure the settings here for the delivery time settings, you need to tap here on the save button. After you save the configuration settings, you'll navigate to the delivery time slots option on the side panel here. So let me tap on that. So the very first option that you will find here is the default delivery time slots. Then we have the delivery time slots and the delivery orders. Now under the delivery orders, you will find the complete list of orders that have been placed using the delivery time date time slot there. So here's the order number 7 that we had placed. If I view this particular one and I scroll down, I can view the particular delivery date, day and the time as well for the order, and the admin can view the same itself. Now let's come back to the delivery time slots option here. So here the admin can set the minimum required time in order processing. So you can enter the number of days that would be the minimum required time in order processing for the orders there. So I've set it to 1 there. And to add a time slot, you can tap here on the add time slot button, and this would add the particular section or the row to add the time slots. So here you can see that I've added the time slots for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday as well. For Monday it was between 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. and this slot was not visible there because the today's time slot was less than the current time, hence the time slot was not available. The Tuesday one, if you see here, was having only one quota there, and the quota set for each of the slot was full there, so that's why the Tuesday one was not available there, and we selected the third one that was for the Wednesday itself. So here you can see that we had selected the slot for the Wednesday itself. Now if I go back to the front end storefront and I add the product into the cart there, let me add it into the cart there and let me make a checkout thereafter. So let me close this out, and there are 2 quantities in the cart there. Let's make a checkout. Let's select the billing address there. After selecting the billing address, we'll be able to select the shipping method. So here you can see that 24th was blocked because the orders are full for the particular day there. The Monday was not available because today's time slot was less than the current time, hence the time slot was unavailable. It can also happen if the order process is set to 0 by the tenant there, then the time slot would also not be visible to the customers at the checkout time here for selection there. So we had selected the 25th. So here you can see that we have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So here we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So accordingly you can add the time slot by tapping the add time slot. You can choose the start time, end time, set the quota there or for the orders there, the number of orders that can be processed within the particular time span there. And thereafter you need to tap here on the save configuration button. After you save the configuration there, then if you go to the delivery time slots, here you will find the complete list of slots that you have created for each day of the week there, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and the allowed orders for each 1, 1, 5, 5, 5, 5 and 5, and the start time and the end time for the slots there. And lastly, we have the delivery orders. Here you'll find the complete list of orders that have been placed using the SaaS delivery time slot plugin, and all of those orders would be listed here, and the admin can view the customer name, the delivery date, the order ID. The delivery has to be done between 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. as you can see here. And from here, if you want, you can view the order details as well by tapping on the order ID there. You can scroll down to the products ordered section, and here you will find the particular product being sold out, the delivery date and day, along with the delivery time as well. So yes, that was much about the Laravel SaaS delivery time slot plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding how this particular plugin helps the customers to choose their preferred date as well as time for the product delivery there, and how this plugin allows the tenants to create multiple slots for each day of the week. For each slot, how the tenants can set the maximum order quota for better time management as well. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webpool.com, or you can raise a ticket at bagisto.uvides.com. Also, kindly note that this particular plugin is an add-on to the Laravel multi-company SaaS module, so you must have first installed that before making use of the particular plugin. That's the Laravel SaaS delivery time slot plugin. If you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.